At the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, calls for hand washing were part of the guidelines stipulated by the Ministry of Health in curbing the spread of COVID-19. Places that have insufficient water supplies, residents were encouraged to use sanitizers.
You need to wash your hands regularly. It has to be thorough hand washing with soap and water, and that there is 7 steps to it. So very important that you remember that it has to be at least 20 seconds under running water. You need to make sure that obviously you have the soap. A bar or a liquid works perfectly well. Any soap is good for that.
As they say, necessity is the mother of invention. In Bungoma County, Stephen Wamukota, a 9-year-old boy, made a wooden hand-washing machine to help curb the spread of coronavirus. He designed a machine that allows people to wash their hands by using a foot pedal and therefore avoiding the spread of the virus. Stephen Wamukota became a social media celebrity for his invention.
Kaambia baba sasa tunaweza tengeneza kitu yenye inafanana hivyo lakini hiyo ni ya kunawia. Na baba alikuwa ameenda kwa kazi, akarudi nimetengeneza kitu ya kukanyaga chini na sabuni na mwagika na kitu ya kukanyaga tena chini na maji na mwagika. Akaamua kunisaidia na tukatengeneza.
Stephen's innovation put him among 68 people to receive the Mzalendo Award from President Uhuru Kenyatta. The first batch of the award recipients featured professionals including doctors, businessmen and journalists. Water and sanitation still remains a critical issue in Kenya. At least 81% of the population lives without proper access to safe sanitation, leaving many Kenyans exposed to multiple diseases, including typhoid and cholera.
Hand washing has been there for a long time, but that technical way that we have learned today on how to do it in a technical way and most effective way, it's very, very important.
In the slums, diarrhea is said to be a child killer, killing almost 1 in 5 children before their 5th birthday. Worrying about contracting waterborne diseases is an all-time high.
This day presents an opportunity to design, test and replicate creative ways to encourage people to wash their hands with soap and water at critical times, as well as to shine a spotlight on the state of hand washing around the world as a way of controlling and preventing communicable diseases.
Earlier on in the year, the Ministry of Health had stated that through the period of the COVID-19 pandemic, cholera, diarrhea and other sanitation-related diseases have reduced drastically due to hand washing.
During these difficult times when the COVID-19 pandemic continues to pose serious challenges, government leadership has demonstrated a functional framework that requires even stronger partnerships among WASH stakeholders to effectively address the pandemic challenge.
Global Hand Washing Day increases awareness and understanding about the vital importance of hand washing with soap as an easy, effective and affordable way of preventing the spread of illness and saving lives. This year's theme, Hand Hygiene for All, highlights the elevated importance of hand washing during the COVID-19 pandemic as a method to prevent the spread of the virus. Dana Rose, K24.